Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Styling guide for night event. In this video, we explore leather bodysuit for evening wear. These outfits are bold yet can be styled with balance. Night event are bold, expressive fashion choice. We will focus on confident and elegant combination. The goal is to maintain approach. Bodysuit look very refined. Let's begin with structure. This creates a strong and clean base look. Pair it with high-waisted trousers or skirt. This helps balance the fitted upper throughout. It natural tone create a sophisticated appearance. Avoid overly complex design for this outfit. Simplify to enhance the overall elegance. A perfect base for night event styling. You can also style bodysuit with the right leg pant. These add contrast between fitted and loose elements. Flowy fabric create a movement and comfort. Choose dark or matte tones for evening wear. This combination feels modern. It works well for formal, semi-formal event. A clean and confident styling approach, very effective for contemporary fashion look. Layering can elevate your belt instantly. Add lightweight jackets or structure rather. This softness, the boldness of the bodysuit. It also adds depth to the overall outfit. Keep the color coordination. Avoid heavy or bulky layer. The aim is to maintain elegance. Layering completes the outfit beautifully. Statement aiding can enhance the look. A small crush bag work well for night event. Keep jewelry limited but impactful. Avoid mixing too many bold pieces. Balance is key into styling bold outfit that one more element stand out. This keeps the look refined and styling. Hairstyling should match the evening demi sleek straight hair. Create a modern effect. Soft colors can also add elegance. Keep the hairstyle polished and controlled. Avoid overly casual look for night event. A neat hairstyle enhance confidence. It completes the overall outfit balance. Consistency is important in styling. Confidence play a major role in such outfit. Stand out, maintain. Thanks for watching this video. Till then, bye bye. Take care.